What's up guys, good morning. Jordan Kaplan here with Kaplan Chiropractic Center. Today we're going to talk about the chiropractic adjustment. There's a lot of misinformation or misnomers, all kinds of things going around these days on the internet. So I want to show the clients or our future clients what a chiropractic adjustment actually looks like, what our intent is, so you have a better idea when you come and see us of what to expect. This is Dr. Huertas. She's going to be our example today. We know her patterns. I've worked on her hundreds of times. We know exactly what she needs. So the diagnostic parts we kind of already have ingrained. You're going to see more of the actual physical adjustment that she has. So we're going to start over here. You're looking at the patient's leveling of their feet. The way that your pelvis moves can change how your feet look. That makes sense as the pelvis moves. Her right leg is short. We know she needs to be adjusting the right side. She's going to face me, right side up, face this way. Top leg is bent, bottom leg is straight. An adjustment occurs when the pelvis, in this case, moves posterior to anterior, so we're not rotating or twisting anything. She's going to take a deep breath in. As she blows out, we're going to slowly rotate in and forward and just come straight down. Good. Face down. So you can hear a noise. The noise is gas within the joints, which is really nice. It's not bones crunching or cracking. That's not an actual thing. Good. Okay, you're going to go on your back, face up. Dr. Huertas also, because of the nature of her job, usually has an anterior thoracic spine because she hunches forward so much to work on clients. So we're going to open that up. She's going to give herself a big hug, coming around, tilt her chin up. We're going to bring her whole body up this way, and we're just going to open up her spine so that she can breathe. Woo! That was a good one. All right, come around over here. We're also going to adjust Dr. Huertas' right shoulder. She has issues there. So we make a fist. She's going to push her shoulder back this way, push it back. We test it. It shows a little weak. So this adjustment of the right shoulder is going anterior to posterior and inferior to superior. Yes. Push back, shoulders back. And now the bread and butter, the good stuff, cervical adjustment. No rotation, just a P to A adjustment. We're going to ensure that things are moving well so her body can heal itself, which is really nice. Coming forward, slowly tilting to the side. Really happy adjustment. Beautiful. This one. Across, no rotation. This is an abbreviated version or a quick version of what a chiropractic adjustment should look like. She's probably asleep now because she feels so good. If you want to know what chiropractic is or can be for you, come see us. I'll see you soon. Have a good day.